How to remove favorite spotlight on Snapchat. Firstly, you will have to open your Snapchat account on the Snapchat app. So simply open the app, and now from here, all the way you will have to open your profile settings just at the top left corner of the screen. So simply tap on your profile, and now from here you will have to scroll down and find the options like spotlight, favorites and reposts. So on this section you will be able to see your favorite spotlight or reposted. So to remove the favorite spotlight on here, you will have to choose that specific video. So I will choose this one, and to remove this from favorite you will have to unlike this video. Okay, so the video has been removed, and as usual you can do it from another method. So for that you can also go with the option three dot. It will appear on the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you will got options like remove from favorites. So for that you will have to tap on that option, remove from favorites. Okay, so from here you can also remove the favorite spotlight on Snapchat. So this is the easiest and simplest method to remove the favorite spotlight on Snapchat. And if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice